Hello. Lunch today, I've already had my protein coffee, is 6 ounces of 93 ground beef and then 6 ounces of 80/20 burgers. I've chopped it up. We're going to put some Danos on here.
It's the original Danos.
We're going to put some Tony's Creole seasoning on here. Oh my gosh, a coworker brought some jalapenos yesterday. Took one home, cut it up, took a bite. Oh man, my mouth was on fire. I think my brain was thinking regular pepper. I would happen to do this later. Like I'm talking like late, like 2-3 hours later. Oh, even it was still burning my mouth. Oh, and some salt. I got Redmond's, but whatever salt you prefer. So that is what I'm having for my 11 o'clock meal today. Let's see. Let's just take a little taste and see what we think. See you at supper. Supper tonight, it's 6 ounces of 80/20 and my vegetables like I usually have. And I'm doing this for supper tonight. 1 serving of the Rouse homemade tomato basil marinara sauce. 1 serving. It's a half cup or 125 grams. Along with half of a serving of the Rouse homemade Alfredo sauce. I do a half serving, which is 30 grams or an eighth of a cup. So just to give you an idea of amounts. And you can water it down if you want to. I'm gonna microwave it just a second. You could most definitely add that, the marinara and the Alfredo to your vegetables and meat. But I don't know. I've just been enjoying and doing it the other way. So I'm gonna put some of this seasoning on. And I'll put a little bit of my everything bagel seasoning. I kind of go in spurts on what kind of seasoning I'm in the mood for. I'll put a little bit of my Greek seasoning on here. And then I'm going to stir it up and that'll be done just a second. That's how the soup looks and that's how my meat looks. And you don't have to add anything and you got yourself a nice little tomato soup.